viewers, welcome to my channel RSK Training and continuing the date series of videos. Today I will be covering few important functions in Excel which most of the Excel users might be knowing, but I think they are important to be known. So please do comment if you want me to cover any more function. So not wasting any more time, let's get back to business. So the first function which I would be covering today is the today function. Most of you might be knowing what is the today function. It returns today's date. Syntax is pretty simple. Just write in today, opening and closing parenthesis. Press enter and you get today's date. Then I would be covering the now function, which again is the same. It returns the current date and time. Now opening and closing parenthesis. Then I would be covering the time function. Most of you might be thinking the time function is again the same, that it will be returning the current time. No, it returns the decimal number of the particular time you specify. So say if I specify time and say I will specify 12, 30 and say in seconds I specify 45. So it returns the decimal number. Now since I have already formatted it, so it returns this, and I can later on format this to time and returns 12, 30, 45. Now one thing you should be noting and you should remember that we can specify negative numbers in this. So what do I mean by negative numbers? So here you see 12, 30, 45 I specified and the time is 12, 30, 45 p.m. Now what if I specify minus 30? So 30 minutes from 12 will be decreased. Similarly, I can specify negative numbers in seconds as well, but I cannot specify negative number in my hour. What will it do? It will straight away give an error. Then so we come to the date function. Just as the time function, we have to specify the parameters in the date function, the year, month and date. Say I specify 2024 and say the third month and the 16th date. So return 3/16/2024. Here also, just as in the time function, I can specify negative numbers. So what happens if I say specify -3 here? So it subtracts 3 months from 2024. That is, it gives me the date of 9/16/2023. I hope that is clear. Anyways, now coming to the time value function. What does it do? Might be wondering. So returns the decimal number of time represented by a text string. Now let us see what it does. So I go by time value and here you see it asks me for time text. Say ask for a specific text time, so I have to specify the time in text. So I specify 2:30 and it will give me a decimal numbers. Now you might be thinking what is the use of this? So let me tell you, it is used in nested formulas. Nested formulas, you mean one inside the other. Then we have the date value function. Similar to the time value, it also returns when we have to give a text string here. Let's specify 9/16 itself. That will give me the number of that one. And just as time value does, this also is used in a formula. Well, with this we come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching my video and I hope you liked my video today. If you liked, please click the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Well, in my next session, I will be continuing the date series of videos and would be covering some other formulas which would be more important and yes, would be more complex than what I did today. Right, guys, see you the next time. And thank you for your time. Bye bye.